Hey everyone, it's Ephy Avenue. I hope that you all are staying safe and taking good care of yourself. And with that being said, I'm going to show you guys how to make a tear gas mask, so stay tuned. Let's get started. For my visual learners, here is a photo of the diagram that I will be following in this tutorial. So definitely use what you have in the cabinet. See if you have any sodas or jugs and stuff you're not using and try to use those first. I, however, do not drink soda, so I had to go to the store and purchase these. Whatever jug you're using, make sure you drain all of its contents and clean it out with soap and water. Remove any labels because it's going to make it hard to see. Now that we've prepped our bottle, it's time to get started on these next few steps. To start off, I grabbed a knife and began cutting at the bottom of the bottle. So here I'm showing you that I drew 2 lines and connected them in the middle. So here is my bottle. I cut less, and then I figured if I need to cut more I would, so I'm gonna try it out. Wait. After you get it to fit, put some tape around the border so you won't cut yourself. With a hole puncher, go ahead and punch a hole on all 4 sides. When you're done, it should look something like this. In order to complete the gas mask, it's time to decide on a material to go through the loops and secure around your head. I opted to using a recycled material. This is actually some elastic off a bed sheet that I don't use anymore. Now it's time to take your twine, elastic, ribbon, whatever you decided to use, and weave it through these holes. And I double knot it and like pull on it just to make sure it's secure, and voila. Really what you should do is down here at the bottom, you should place something like a face mask. I don't have one right now to my disposal, but pretend this is like a face mask and you put it like right down there, I guess, to help filter out the air. That is probably going to help you a lot, along with putting that foam along the edges, but I just don't have foam or feel like putting fabric there, and I wish I did to show you, but just use your imagination and do better than me. Okay, thank you. You did it. Okay, so I think now it's a good time to try these on. So let's try this on. So here it is. You can hardly hear me, but it works. You feel me? Save you from all that. But this is pretty gangsta. Here's a better example of how the mask should be worn. Feel free to wear a headband or something to cover the top and help cut out any air coming through. This should help you, It's not going to solve the problem, but this should help you with tear gas, mace, anything that you may witness and encounter. And to be honest, it's probably going to help protect you from rubber bullets and stuff. So I made a couple of these, and hopefully I won't have to reuse them, but I plan on just giving them away and hoping that it kind of helps somebody else out. I don't think I'll be wearing one of them because I did not purchase enough bottles. So unless I wake up in a few hours, because it's already the next day, it's like 5 a.m., I don't think I'll be wearing one. I just think this is really cool. Now I kind of want to do a project where I have to wear this and just make another one. But anyways, thanks for sticking around and watching this video. I appreciate it so much, and I just hope you guys stay safe and take care of yourselves. Like I said in the beginning, I'm going to close out the same way.